Today I'm working on the cars. The Land Cruiser needs its AC recharged. So we got one of these AC recharger refrigerant cans with the little hose that you use to connect it. Had the truck running for 5 minutes. It's blowing out as cold as it can. So you can see it's at basically 36 or probably 97. So let's leave this on here. So to recharge these, it's a pretty straightforward thing as long as you don't have a leak in your system. You just attach to your load port. You'll have an L on it. Connect this here. And as you can see, basically I got zero pressure in here, so we need to charge it up. And I'll see if we can see it on the gauge. You screw on this and then you turn this in. What you see is this is just a little, it has a little barb that goes in, it punctures this, and then you unscrew it back out. Let's put the can on. This is just regular R12. So right now I'm going to be puncturing it. I just felt it went through and it punctured it. But I got to go back out to let the coolant, the refrigerant, go back through here and into the system. I have my air conditioning set to go on. The other thing is, with no pressure, the air conditioning system isn't going to kick on. It needs a certain amount of PSI, so you might hear it click on once it starts, the system starts getting somewhere. I'm backing back out, and now the coolant is going to go back down the hose into, there it goes. You can see it going in there. It helps to hold the can upside down. Now it's on a little bit high. Now you just could hear the air conditioning kicking on. And it'll drop back down at the start. So I'm letting this out a little more, just make sure everything comes out. And now it's filling up the system. It's back down. Might need another can for this AC. It's just a little on the low side, but I'll let it run for a little bit. Take this off now. Low cap back on. And we're good to go. Let's see if this made a difference in the temperature. Alright, let's see what it's at. It was at 96, 98 Fahrenheit, or about 36 Celsius. And right now it's down to, ooh, look at that. It looks like 15 Celsius or 64 Fahrenheit, so that made a difference. We'll be a little more comfortable this summer.